Wow.
Orange నీళ్ళ వద్దు ఆరెంజ్ నీళ్ళు
Wow.
Go for the
Yeah, Presidency IAC is arranging it. I don't know.
It is definitely a sight to see.
Wow. You're lucky tonight.
We've got private view. Can we have some music to accompany the fireworks?
Preferably Arabic music, right?
Cutting ceremony happening right now.
I don't know, we clap or we all clap. Let's hear with a round of applause. Clapping on. Don't stop your clapping. As if you are singing happy birthday. Wow. That's the GS and the president. Wow. They lock it arms. That's so nice to see, actually. No? Bit shy, but it's okay.
I hope we got a good picture as well. Can we all, if you don't mind, pose for one more group picture? Can you all join us, please, for a group picture?
One more group picture, please, all of you.
And we squeeze in. Let's all get huddled up together. After the picture, we have a video session as well. So please do stay.
Yeah, we're going to have the cut of the balloons as celebrating the 52nd. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Do we do a
President wants all the committee members to hold on and woo!
Can we do a countdown?
That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Yeah.
All right,
Wow.
3, 2, 1.
All right, we celebrate. We want to give two memento to